My unbelievable Christmas gift. Once upon a snowy Christmas Eve in the little town of Jingleville, there lived a curious and imaginative girl named Lily. Lily had a heart full of wonder and a spirit that danced like snowflakes in the winter breeze. She had been eagerly waiting for Christmas, dreaming of the magical surprises it might bring. On the night before Christmas, Lily's excitement bubbled over as she nestled into her cozy bed, adorned with twinkling lights and festive decorations. She closed her eyes, imagining the jolly laughter of Santa's reindeer and the soft jingle of sleigh bells. As the clock struck midnight, Lily was awakened by a mysterious sound emanating from her window. Curiosity tugging at her, she tiptoed across the room and cautiously opened the window. To her amazement, a tiny sleigh, pulled by a team of miniature reindeer, hovered just outside. Standing beside the tiny sleigh was a whimsical creature with pointy ears, dressed in a coat made of holly leaves and a hat adorned with mistletoe. It was a Christmas elf named Twinkletoes. "Hello, Lily. Santa sent me with a special message for you," Twinkletoes said, his eyes twinkling like stars. Lily's eyes widened with excitement. "A message for me? What is it?" "Santa heard about your boundless imagination and decided to grant you a one-of-a-kind Christmas gift. Hop on the sleigh, and we'll take you to the North Pole," Twinkletoes exclaimed. Lily's heart raced with joy as she climbed onto the tiny sleigh. In the blink of an eye, they soared through the night sky, passing over snow-covered landscapes and glittering stars. Lily couldn't believe her eyes. It was a magical journey beyond her wildest dreams. When they arrived at the North Pole, Lily was greeted by a winter wonderland of candy canes, gingerbread houses, and snowmen that sang cheerful tunes. The elves, busy preparing for Christmas, welcomed her with warm smiles and open arms. Santa Claus himself emerged from his workshop, his eyes twinkling with kindness. "Lily, I've heard you have the heart of a true believer," he said, handing her a beautifully wrapped gift. With trembling hands, Lily unwrapped the package to find a magical snow globe. As she held it, the snowflakes inside danced to the melody of her laughter, creating enchanting scenes of joy and wonder. Santa smiled and said, "Lily, this snow globe will remind you that the magic of Christmas is always within you. Keep believing, keep imagining, and the wonders of the season will never fade." With a heart full of gratitude, Lily bid farewell to the North Pole and returned to her room in Jingleville. As she drifted off to sleep, the magical snow globe by her bedside whispered promises of everlasting enchantment. From that Christmas onward, Lily shared the tale of her unbelievable Christmas gift with friends and family, spreading the spirit of wonder and magic throughout the town of Jingleville. And every year, as the snow fell softly outside her window, Lily would gaze into the magical snow globe and remember the Christmas when her imagination took flight on the wings of a tiny sleigh.